unlock the power of wild spinach in boosting the immunity and growth of your poultry and livestock birds, most especially if you are into broiler farming. In this particular video, I'm going to give you all the health benefits of wild spinach or Gnetum africanum, popularly known as Ukazi in Igbo land or Afan in Ibibio. This Ukazi leaf is highly nutritious. It has a lot of vitamins and minerals that can boost the growth and weight of your broilers within a short period of time. Most especially if you want to welcome a newly hatched chicks into your brooding room. This is one of the organic plants you can use to boost their growth at the initial stage of their lives. Watch this particular leaf. It is not a common leaf. It is highly medicinal and has a lot of boosting properties. If you're a poultry or livestock farmer, this is one of your best plants you should use. In this particular video, I'm going to give you all the nutritional value, both the mineral content and vitamin content of this Ukazi leaf juice and the health benefits. I will also give you the health issues Ukazi juice can treat or cure in poultry and livestock. So watch this video till the end so that you get the best from it. This Ukazi plant is not a common plant. It is just common in nature, but it is not common based on its value in poultry and livestock animals. I also guide you on how to process and administer Ukazi leaf juice to poultry and livestock animals, both the steps involved and the dosage. So make sure you don't skip any of this so that you will not mix out of this. Let me briefly give you the historical background of this Ukazi leaf or white spinach or Gnetum africanum. That is the botanical name or scientific name. Ukazi leaf is known as Gnetum africanum as the scientific name. It is a dark green, glossy leaf commonly used in African cuisine, particularly in Nigeria for soups and dishes like Afang soup, Ukazi soup. Ukazi leaf is also known as white spinach and is a highly nutritious plant commonly used in African diets. Beyond its culinary applications, Ukazi leaf juice offers significant medicinal and health benefits for poultry and livestock, packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and biotic compounds. It serves as a natural remedy for boosting immunity, enhancing growth, and combating various health challenges in animals. This organic approach aligns with sustainable and cost-effective farming practices. The following are the mineral and vitamin content of Ukazi leaf juice in percentage. Vitamin A. Ukazi leaf have 9 to 12% composition of vitamin A. It has 6 to 8% composition of vitamin C, 4 to 7% composition of calcium, 5 to 6% composition of iron, 3 to 5% composition of magnesium, 2 to 4% zinc, 7 to 9% potassium, 6 to 10% fiber, 3 to 5% of protein. Ukazi leaf juice is rich in antioxidants, phytochemicals, and biotic compounds, making it an effective natural supplement for poultry and livestock. Health issues Ukazi leaf juice can treat or cure in poultry and livestock. One is boosts immunity. It can boost immunity, enhance disease resistance by providing antioxidants like vitamin A and C that strengthens the immune system against infections such as coccidiosis and respiratory issues. Number 2, it improves digestion. The high fiber content promotes a healthy digestive system and reduces the risk of constipation in livestock. It helps in breaking down tough feed materials for better nutrient absorption. It promotes growth and weight gain. The protein and mineral content aids in muscle development and fast weight gain in poultry and livestock. It enhances reproductive health. It contains essential minerals like zinc and magnesium that improves fertility in livestock, that helps in reducing complications during reproduction and ensures healthy offspring. It treats anemia. The iron content in Ukazi leaf juice combats anemia and ensures efficient oxygen transport in animals. It controls parasites. It acts as a natural dewormer, reducing parasites load in poultry and livestock. It improves egg production in layers. If you're a layers farmer, this Ukazi leaf juice is good for you to boost the egg production strength of your laying birds and at the same time strengthen the egg shells and egg yolk color. It enhances calcium absorption, leading to stronger egg shells and improves egg quality. It treats respiratory issues. The anti-inflammatory properties of Ukazi leaf juice helps in managing respiratory conditions. It lowers stress in livestock. Potassium and magnesium in the juice reduces stress, ensuring better productivity. It is a natural antimicrobial property plant which prevents bacterial infections such as Salmonella and E. coli in poultry. You can see this particular plant, it is a climbing plant. For you to get to reach this plant, you need to climb also. It crawls and climbs on trees, and the owners normally stake them on trees so that they can climb, and that's the only way they can survive well. It is an African plant. How do you process and administer Ukazi leaf juice to poultry? The processing method. Now follow the following steps. After plucking, you can see me here plucking the leaf on a ladder because it is a climbing plant. It climbs on top of this particular tree you are seeing here. So we need to climb also to get to reach them. After gathering a good quantity of it, depending on the number of birds you have and the type of animal you want to administer it to. If you want to administer it to poultry birds like broilers and layers, you need to gather up to 200 grams of this particular plant. Now follow the following steps. After gathering the Ukazi leaves, which is Gnetum africanum, make sure you wash it thoroughly. After washing, pluck the leaves one after the other to separate them from the stem. After separating them, put them in a blender. If you are using if you want to use blender, put them in a blender and blend the 200 grams properly well. If you don't have blender, put them in a mortar and use pestle to pound it. Pound it very well to smaller units. After pounding, pour 10 liters of water. 10 liters of water is good. It's enough for 200 birds. Now use these 10 liters of water for 100 birds. Administer after sieving the leaves out. Extract the leaves from the juice. Make sure you squeeze the leaves very well to get the juice out of the leaf. Then the leaves is very dark green in color, very dark in color. This is very rich. It is a very rich tea for your poultry and livestock birds. Most especially at the early stage of their life. It helps to boost their immediate growth. Now, after extracting the juice, you can add extra water depending on the quantity of water your birds drinks in a day at their age, at their level. Make sure you know the quantity of water your birds drinks in a day. Constitute this juice to reach them throughout that day to make sure they drink it within 24 hours. Then administer the water to them. Do this between 3 to 5 days consecutively. Please don't skip any day at all. This leaf is not very cheap, so you make sure they don't waste this water. This is a very highly nutritious leaf. Don't waste the water. Make sure they drink all the water within 24 hours. Serve the water on daily basis, 3 to 5 days. You're going to see amazing results. Then if you are administering this to other poultry birds, please tell me on the comment section. I will also guide you on bigger birds like turkey, layers birds, guinea fowl, geese, duck, and others. I will also guide you, or bigger four-legged animals. I will also tell you how we are going to administer them. This particular plant is highly nutritious and it is very costly in the market. It is not something you can just see anyhow, because it is also used, the leaf is also used in cooking occasional soups by different tribes. It is called afang in Ibibio or Efik, while Igbos call it Ukazi. But the scientific name, as I earlier said, is Gnetum africanum. It is called African wide plant. African white spinach. African white spinach. It is called white spinach. Here you can see me plucking the leaf here. This is what I use. You can see other organic plants around. All these are organic plants that are used in poultry and livestock animals. If you have any question regarding this particular topic or any other topic I've ever treated, please drop it on the comment section. Let's meet on the comment section and discuss more about this particular plant. It's not something we can just start and finish immediately. If you have more questions on this, drop it on the comment section. Let's discuss more about it. And if you like this particular video, share this video to reach more from. Give it a thumb up, share. And if you are just coming across this particular channel the first time, right now this is the best time for you to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell notification, so that anytime I release an update or any other interesting topic on this particular channel, you will be among the first set of subscribers that will get notified by this wonderful app. Subscribe, activate the bell notification, share the video, give it a thumb up, and drop your comment on the comment section so that we discuss more about this particular plant. And if you know more about this plant, please tell me on the comment section. If you have been using it, please tell me anything you know about this particular plant in your own region. Please, I want to hear from you on the comment section. The comment section is for us to deliberate and discuss more on how to move forward in this particular channel. It's not the time to insult or abuse another person. Please, let me hear from you. If you know about this particular plant, how you use it, and what you know about this particular plant in your own region, let me know on the comment section. Ukazi leaves derived from Gnetum africanum are widely consumed in Nigeria and other African countries for their nutritional and medicinal properties. Scientific studies have highlighted several health benefits associated with these plant leaves. Nutrient-rich profile. Ukazi leaves contain significant amount of protein, essential amino acids, minerals such as calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, iron, and zinc, vitamins including riboflavin, niacin, and tocopherol, and dietary fiber. These nutrients contribute to overall health and supports various bodily functions. Antioxidant properties. These leaves are rich in polyphenolic compounds, including flavonoid, acronoid, and tannins, which exhibit strong antioxidant activities. These antioxidants help neutralize free radicals, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases linked to oxidative stress. The dietary fiber in Ukazi leaves may aid in managing diabetes by delaying the digestive and absorption of carbohydrate, leading to improved blood sugar control. Additionally, the presence of certain phytochemicals may contribute to hypoglycemic activities. Studies suggest that aqueous extract of Gnetum africanum may have positive effects on blood parameters, potentially aiding in the management of anemia. The high fiber content in Ukazi leaves promote digestive health by preventing constipation and supporting a healthy gut environment. Rich in calcium and magnesium, Ukazi leaves contribute to the development of maintenance of strong bones and teeth, potentially reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Incorporating Ukazi leaves into the diet can provide these health benefits, supporting overall well-being of poultry and livestock animals, and at the same time for human health management also. After constituting the juice for the birds, please, the unused one should be stored in a refrigerator for up to 48 hours, but fresh preparation is always better. So follow all these steps if you can. This can also help you to maximize the health and productivity benefits of Ukazi leaf juice for your poultry and livestock. If you have this Ukazi leaf juice in your area, Ukazi leaf or Ukazi plant in your area, please use it to welcome your new young chicks after transportation, vaccination, or environmental stress. Administer Ukazi. If you are using this Ukazi leaf to take care of your poultry breed from day one, you will not encounter any health challenges throughout the rearing period. Please, this Ukazi leaf is not only for grown-up birds. You can start from day one till maturity. And anytime you vaccinate your poultry birds, give this Ukazi leaf juice for complete 3 days to reduce the stress and improve recovery from stress. And anytime you transport them or change their poultry beddings, give this also for next 3 days to also help them to recover fully. This Ukazi leaf juice is both medicinal and also serve as tea for them. It is an organic food for them also. If you have any question regarding this topic, drop it on the comment section. Let's discuss more about this particular leaf. It is a very good quality leaf that we can't continue talking about them today. If not, this video will be more than 1 hour. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Share this video to reach more farmers and drop your comment. Give it a thumb up. Subscribe if you have not subscribed, and make sure you join our channel membership. This will give you extra benefit and also 24/7 attention to help you grow your farm. Thank you. Till we come with another interesting topic loading very soon. For now, say bye.